Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly delete a contact from WhatsApp. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments under this video. So let us get started with you. Please open the WhatsApp app on your device. Then go to the chat section. Then in the top right corner, click on the plus sign. And now you take from the contact list the one that you would like to delete. Next, once you open that contact at the top, tap on its name and edit. This will take you to the page where you will have the Delete Contact feature. Click on it and confirm your action. This way you can easily delete the contact from WhatsApp. I really hope this video helped you friends and was helpful. Please friends, put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.